press my hands together and slowly spin around, and tell my moonbird sister to pick me up and we'll go flying. Can you see what shines when it's dark outside? 'Cause I can see the moon shine when I look in your eyes. And when I catch the moon, I'll throw it to you, and you'll be happy too. I'll do that for you. We can dance together and slowly spin around. 'Cause you're my moonbird sister. I can see you, you are laughing. You can catch me, you'll be happy. I can see you, you are laughing. You can catch me, you'll be happy. I can see you, you are laughing. You can catch me, you'll be happy. I can see you, I'm so happy. You can catch me, I'm so happy. I can see you, you are laughing. I'm so Can you catch the moon and hold it in your hands? 'Cause I can catch the moon. I do my moon dance. I press my hands together and slowly spin